Okay, good afternoon guys. Myself Kesavan. This is my team.
My name is Ramesh Kumar.
And my name is Yogaraj.
Today we are going to discuss about question 5.
Demonstration.
Okay, figure 5 shows a cylindrical glass with an external diameter of 80 mm and an internal diameter of 74 mm. The outer height of the glass is 100 mm while the depth of the glass is 94 mm. Calculate the volume and surface area of the glass. First of all, we are going to find the volume of the glass. To find the volume, this is the formula: pi radius square times height. First of all, we are going to find the external cylinder volume, which is pi times 40 square, which is the radius of the outer cylinder, times 100, which is the height. The answer is 526,054.82 mm. After finding the external cylinder volume, now we are going to find the internal cylinder volume, which is pi times 37 square, which is the radius of the internal cylinder, and times 94 is the height of the internal cylinder. The answer is 442,078.10 mm. After we got the answer for the external cylinder volume and internal cylinder volume, we are going to minus it, and the final answer will be 98,376.72 mm.
So now I have to find the surface area of the glass, the cylinder. So the surface area, we have to find external diameter and the internal diameter also. So first, the surface area of the glass, the formula is 2 pi radius height plus 2 pi radius square. So for the external of cylinder surface area, so 2 pi times 40 times 100. The 40 is the diameter of 80. So divide by 2 will be get the 40 like the radius, and times 100 of the height, plus 2 pi times 40 square of the formula. So then this both also have to plus lah. So this one will be get 25132.74 plus 100 10,053.10 cent. So this both also have to plus, will be get the external cylinder surface area 35,185.84. External cylinder surface area will be get this formula. So first I have to write out the formula, and plus the both of you will be get the answer external cylinder. So the next step is a internal cylinder surface area I have to find out. So the same formula I have to follow. 2 pi times 37 times 94. The 37 was internal diameter of the 74 meter. So the radius divided by 2 will be get 37 times 94 plus 2 pi times 37 square. So this one will be answer will be get 21852.92 plus 8601.68. So this both have to plus will be get the answer 30454.60. So we'll be get the internal cylinder surface area. So the surface area of the glass will be internal cylinder surface area, and internal cylinder surface area have to find.
Welcome guys. So today we need to find the cylinder top and bottom ring area. To get the cylinder top and bottom ring area, we need to use this formula: 2 pi external radius square root minus by internal radius square root. So here's the equation: 2 pi r in bracket 40 square root minus by 37 square root. If you times with the square root, you get 1600. 37 square root will be 1309. If you minus both of them, you get 231. So what we're going to do? 231 must use this equation. If you calculate 2 pi, sorry, my mistake, 2 pi r. So 2 pi in bracket 231 will get 1451.42. To calculate the total surface area of the glass, we need to plus the external cylinder surface area, internal cylinder surface area, with cylinder top and bottom ring area. So it will come around like 35,185.84, that is the external cylinder surface area. 30,454.60, that is internal cylinder surface area, plus with cylinder top and bottom ring area 1451.2. So the total will be calculated around by 67,091.86 millimeter. That is the total surface area of the glass that's shown in the diagram. Thank you guys.